digitalization across the board is super important for our field, right? Industry 4.0 is all about how can we leverage that data to help make informed decisions across different areas like predictive maintenance, maybe perhaps, or AI to really understand, interrogate the data to see if the data is trending out of specifications. And so at this critical juncture that we're at as an industry, scaling up manufacturing, we need to really understand our data to be able to scale and optimize in an efficient manner. So those kind of main elements. In terms of what's new and what we're seeing is there's devices and people talking about process analytical technologies. And so that is ability to have real-time sensors and capturing the information as it's being produced. To kind of give an example of where we've come in from, some devices that are within the space have limited capabilities to exchange data, and perhaps the reporting is after the fact. So the process is completely finished, and then you get a run report to say everything was okay. So that moving forward from there, we want to have real-time understanding of how that process is going, which then drives perhaps a change in terms of culturing of cells. It could be 10-day manufacturing, but actually we reach the target value in 6 days, and so we can expedite that manufacturing.